Hi guys! I am here with my friend Louise Barson at Louise Barson Art from Funky Monkey Coffee Shop, and we are running next week a Stockport Frog Trail colouring competition. Woo! So all week next week you can come in from the 12th to the 18th and colour in a frog. Chances to win milkshake vouchers, colouring books, all sorts of stuff. And this is Louise's frog, which is pretty awesome. So don't forget to come down, check out the frog, have a read of the poetry going on. and come and enter the colouring competition. We'll be drawing it on Monday the 19th. Louise is going to come down and pick all the winners.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, Heather. And if you do come and take a photograph of yourself with my frog, post your photo on Louise Barson Art on Facebook, and there is a prize draw at the end of the frog trail. Bye.